L340 John Deere Baler. Looking at the right side here. It is a single axle model with new tires. Still see the little ribs on them. Same size and brand and type of tire as they were out of the factory. This baler was just running. We backed it in the shed here as there's a chance of rain, but it's, as you can tell, very dirty as it just came out of the field. We don't even have the last bale ejected out of it yet. Hope the right side cover here. Avoid the dirt falling directly in my face. Alright, here we go with the right side. This is the stroker here. All the grease zerks, everything takes grease. Everything's nice and clean. As you can see from all the metal, it's good shape. Been kept polished and clean. Same with the outside. This baler had updates to it prior to us purchasing it. One of those updates was this, I don't even know what you call it, impeller input deal. It's been replaced. It was new. If you can see, it's absolutely perfect. It's still like new. Here's the hitch. PTO, it's an 1.75" PTO. This flips up and make a PTO rest here. The wiring's in good shape. There's an excessive amount of it. It seems it's always been excessively long out of the factory. Yeah. Let's see if we can open up this cover without getting dirt in our face here. Good, not as bad. All the clutches are good. We keep everything greased. All the clutches, or the brake there is good. And back in here, there's some linkage that runs that stroker. I'll pop this side cover and show you. Here goes the dirt show. Yep, there's more dirt in the face. With that linkage, it all goes through here. That's all new. That had been worn when we got this baler, so we replaced all that. It's only got about 1,100 bales on all that linkage. The auto greaser works great. All the lines are good. This computer here is actually brand new. When they did the updates to it, there's this program that they downloaded, and they have to end up actually putting a new computer on that. So that's all brand new. Everything works and functions correctly, but it does have the newer programs in it because of the new computer. Another look at that rotor, and here's a look at the pickup. Let's see down through there. Looks good. They've replaced a lot of tines, but just like any baler, tines get tore up throughout the season. Same with bands, so I think everything's put back good right now, but double check that. And it does come with a large box of parts, and there is a bunch of extra tines and bearings and everything else we keep on hand. I'll put all that with it. This end here was actually quite wore out, so this is all new. All the sprockets are new, new chain, new idlers, all new bearings in there, new center bearings on the pickup, and I don't, guys call them spiders or whatever, the little cams with the bearings on them, those are all new as well. So besides being dirty, everything up here looks really good. All the sheet metal is really good, really clean, and once you take all this dirt off, it is a very, very shiny baler. The only wear in this pickup would be in these gauge wheel arms right there at the pivot. That's the only wear at all in it, because everything else has either been replaced or updated, which also means it was replaced. So everything's just in top-notch condition. Just no bent shields, no dents, top-notch condition machine. Looking up underneath here is the needles. Open up the twine box here. More dirt to the face. And the twine. And these boxes get a lot of dirt build up in there. This particular one's very, very corrosion free. Everything's neat and clean. We keep everything blowing off. We have a large industrial air compressor we blow this machine off with every year. And then we clean it all up and even wax the sheet metal and the poly on it. You can see the stairways, all perfect. The Bale chamber's excellent condition. Again, all the metal is really neat and clean. There's a partial Bale in there, but there's just absolutely no wear to any of the steel. And you can see the Bale ramp here is really good shape. I think these have evolved a little since 1961. Okay, climbing up top here, you can see all the equipment that's in here. It's in good shape. All the rollers, everything's greasy. Back here where the twine discs are at, everything takes grease. We made sure all the lines are open free. There's no notches worn any of these eyelets. And the knotters, everything in the knotters looks good. All the little eyelets are good. These are actually all new. Same with the bill hooks, twine discs, tensioners, and all that's been replaced in good shape. Number one knotter here, I actually snapped a bill hook off. So I'm putting a new one of those in, and while I was up here I wanted to get you guys a complete video of wear. These knife arms, they've been replaced. You can see how good these pieces are. This is a brand new bill hook, of course. You got a new roller and everything. But you can see the gears and everything up here, the condition everything's in. So it's just an opportune time to get this video made while I was putting that new part in here. And I'm going to pull another knotter up so you guys can see that they're all uniform and I'm not just showing you one that's wore or not wore. New tracks here. Okay, I pulled up the other knotter. You can see again that everything's in good shape. Got a tail in there, but discs are new, bill hooks are new, tracks are new. Everything's been replaced. You can see no excessive wear, just everything's in tip-top shape. And again, with the box of parts that comes with this, there's bill hooks, knife arms, just anything that it could possibly break. We keep spares on hand, so we're always in business, and we'll make sure to include that as well. And that knotter there, like I said, we'll put a new bill hook in there. I'll get that wrapped up today and put back together and adjusted, and everything will be back to top-notch condition. Baler will be back ready to go. Besides that, it's obviously like I said, we've been in the field baling with it. It's a good baler. It's got about 12,500, 12,600 bales, something like that, I believe, total. The twine boxes are near full. I think it's 550 knot strength, might be 5 1/4, and all that twine would be left in it.